It's never been this easy to make money on TikTok. People are making thousands of dollars a day just by posting TikToks. And I'm not talking about being an influencer, doing brand deals and all that stuff. No, absolutely not. We're talking about this. This is the TikTok Shop affiliate program. For example, like we have this lip gloss here. You can pretty much make a TikTok using the lip gloss or showing off the lip gloss and saying how, yo, it's a really good deal right now. You should buy it on the TikTok Shop. And you get commission every time you get a sale. For example, if it's 10% commission, you sell a $20 product, you're taking home $2 just from selling one of those, And the thing is, if a video goes viral, that's where the big money is made. All year round, people are making money with this. And for example, this guy, right? I saw this. It's incredible. He has like 70 followers and he started posting videos only about the TikTok Shop. Look at this thing. After what? No, his second video got 25,000 views. And his fifth video got almost 100,000. He's bringing in racks right now, just from these videos. And all the videos is just showing off some product. And this guy, for example, is like, yo, look at this. It's on Amazon for $46. It's on the TikTok Shop for a really good discount. Go grab it while you can. Stuff like that. So I see this and I'm like, yo, I want to give this a shot, right? I want to see how this goes. I want to make some money. So I give it a shot. I started back in the middle of November, I think November 17th, and I was posting every single day. Now, I'm not going to show you what the name of this page is, but first video I post got 7 million views. I mean, granted, yes, I'm in my car, but still, there were videos where I'm just like with my dog in front of my computer, 250,000 views, computer, 2 million views. It's just so simple, right? It's so easy to go viral on TikTok and make money with this. And I want to show you guys how to do this because I don't want to just sit here and and flex. No, that's not my point. My point is to kind of show everyone that this is doable for anyone. Like I'm talking, you live in your mom's basement and you're just getting by, paying the electric bill, trying to help your mom. Maybe you live in a freaking mansion and you're rich. Whatever stage of life that you're in, this will benefit your life in so many different ways because in the first month of doing this, I brought in $300,000 in sales. That was in 1 month, and I've never done this before. So when that happened, I'm like, yo, okay, this is glitched. Like, this is broken. This is a money glitch. There's something wrong with life here. What's going on? I'm going to send this to my little brother, see if he can do it, right? He's 14 years old. So I go to his house. He lives with my parents still. And I'm like, yo, dude, listen, look at this page right here. Okay. This page, I'm making a ton of money, dude, just from posting TikToks. You want to give it a shot? He's like, all right, cool. He posts his first video. I think he made like $50 in sales and he was motivated. He's 14 years old. He's still in like 8th, 9th grade. He posts another video and another. And after like 5 videos, he made his first $500 in sales. The guy's freaking out, right? Because for him, it was like 20% commission. He just made $100 in profit posting TikToks. The guy isn't even old enough to have a real job yet. It's incredible how easy it is to make money on TikTok nowadays. So everyone wants to know how to do this. How did I actually do this? Well, I'm gonna break down some of the videos, show you what I did inside, the psychology behind it, just the little marketing tactics to make sure these things go viral because it's broken up into a couple pieces. So let's take a look. So this product was a car charger, right? It's a retractable car charger. And you might have even seen this on your For You page. That would be so dope. That'd be cool. Comment if you did. But I want to see you guys' videos too, because it's very easy to go viral. I just showed off the product and inside the video, I compared it to Amazon. I'm like, yo, on Amazon, these things are $40, but on the TikTok Shop, they're only 25. This is a steal, yo, go check it out. For some reason, the video went viral. And at first I was kind of surprised, but then I went back and I realized there was a lot of small things. For example, at the start of the video, right, when you're trying to make content, you want to make it relatable and you want to add in like a killer hook. Everyone's addicted to their phones nowadays. Let's be honest. Everyone's just sitting there scrolling aimlessly. Oh, then look at this. Oh, it's a cat video. Huh? You got to stop them in their tracks and make them watch your video. Now, once you stop them, or actually, how do you stop them? You need a little trick I use is by using the word you, by saying, hey, if you have a car and you have dangly cords all over the place, that's kind of what I did in this video, you should definitely check out this product. And because of that, you're relating it back to them. They feel like they can understand you because they're like, yo, that happens to me too. It's relatable, You want to hook them in with something relatable. After that, you need something eye-catching and crazy in the video. If it's a longer video, like this one was 32 seconds long, the reason why I think this went viral was because I was inside my Corvette, and also I was showing off a bunch of different things. But I'll get to it at the end because you don't need a Corvette to do this. No, I did this in front of my computer too, and I want to show y'all how saucy this is. It's crazy. Now, towards the middle of the video, you're just showing off the product, showing how it's used. If you don't have the product in hand, you don't want to spend money, that's fine. You can use a computer and just like point to it and explain it by showing like a photo on, your PC or whatever. But once you get to the end of the video, that's where you really want to sell them. You want to compare the price that's on TikTok Shop to a price somewhere else, for example, on PetSmart or on Amazon or on eBay, whatever it might be, and show them what, like, yo, this is a really good deal, and obviously you want to be truthful with it, show the proof, don't just say it. And because of that, this one charger brought in so much money, like it's crazy. It paid my car insurance for years, you know what I'm saying, with one TikTok. So with that being said, that's not the only way to do it. That's if you're doing it in real life, showing off. Keep in mind, I didn't show my face this entire video. But let's say that, you want to do it in front of your computer because you don't want to buy the product. This is a great example. I have this little dog toy, right, for my dog. He loves this thing. It's like a squeaker crinkle toy or something. So I'm like, yo, I want to make a TikTok with this. So I'm like, yo guys, I bought this at PetSmart for like $13, but on the TikTok Shop, you can get 5 of these things for literally the same price. And it was just such a killer deal that it went viral. I used something that was in my house, a dog toy in my house, and a computer. And the power of the little finger just to point around the screen, it was crazy. And this one video brought in around $21,000 in sales, which the product was amazing because it gave me 40% commission, meaning for every sale that I generated, I'm getting like $6, $7, $8, which was crazy. And it sold thousands of these. So because of that, guys, it is a gold mine, this TikTok Shop thing. And the best part is TikTok will promote these videos, right? They make money every single time someone buys something on the TikTok Shop, like TikTok does. They take a small fee. So because of that, they want to promote this. They want more brands using TikTok. They want to grow TikTok as a whole. So they're adding in new features. And whenever they do, you probably notice they actually promote those features a lot more. Whenever there's a new, little CapCut template, or there's a new filter on TikTok, I don't know, they always promote it, because they want more people to use it. And they have the power to do that. TikTok decides what goes viral in their algorithm. So anyways, getting to the main point here, how is able to do this? Well, number one, you need consistency. Okay, as soon as you start, you should be posting 3 to 5 times a day, showing off all different products. Never do the same product 2 times a day. You can do it maybe the next day, try the same product you did yesterday the next day, but always do new products each day. And if you're consistent with it, sometimes, for example, this guy, his first video only got 1,000 views. For second video, 25,000. And sometimes, he's in like a little rut right now, right? He's only getting a couple hundred views a video, but he's staying consistent. And TikTok loves consistency, and they actually reward consistency because it shows them like, yo, like this is a consistent creator that's going to continue posting on our platform. And as long as you are posting good videos, I'm talking good quality lighting, the lighting on these, it looks like someone coughed on his camera and just left the phlegm all over it. It's kind of gross. My point is, you want to look for those little things, good lighting, consistency. On top of that, make the video interesting, show a bit of your personality when you're making these videos. Don't just sit there and, hey guys, like, I found this cool dog toy and, it's really cool and I like it. Like, no, you got to be funny, you got to be funny, charismatic, but just be yourself. That's the main thing. I've seen people just talk normal and they'll still go viral. Sometimes I'll see people, use like a crazy accent and it goes viral. The point is, inside of these videos, you need to make them entertaining and make sure the person watches to the end. I tried different strategies as well. Does it work with music or without music? So, I posted this video twice, back to back. The one that got 600,000 views or 550,000 was one without music. So when you're posting these videos, do not include music at all. Just go ahead and do it, right? Just go ahead and post it with the original sound. Now, if you continue consistently posting, I've been posting on this account for almost 2 months now, but the first month was like 300K in rev, and I want to show you guys I needed to use it, for the clickbait of this YouTube video so you guys can see like how easy this really is. Now you're probably asking, okay, I get the gist of it. You're just making videos, showing off a product, make it entertaining, doing things like this, adding a hook, explaining the product in the video, showing off a discount at the end. How do you actually do this though? How do you actually set up accounts? How do you do all this? It's very simple. TikTok has a couple rules. Okay, and let me actually pull them up here. So now you're interested, right? You want to actually give this a shot because why not? It's free, Here's what you got to do. You need an account. Why did I just hold up 2 fingers? You need an account. You need a TikTok account with over 5,000 followers, or like this guy, he only has 70 followers. You need to follow a strategy where you set up a TikTok seller account first and then do a couple other things, and you can, post with less than 5,000 followers. The easiest way to do it is if you have over 5,000 followers, you buy an account with over 5,000, or you just have one. If not, like I said, there's still a way to do it with literally 0 followers. If you want to see how to do that, there's going to be a link in the description where you can learn how to do it. And I'll also put it on the thing somewhere around here. It's super simple. It takes 5 minutes. But once you have a TikTok account that's in the United States that has TikTok Shop enabled on it, you can start posting immediately. And all you do is link the product inside of the video. Very, very simple to do. So when you're about to post a video, I'll actually kind of pull it up here and show you guys. Okay, so I'm recording right now, right? So let's say, this is the video, cool, bang, bang, pop. So let's say, all right, nice. Let's say you're about to post, okay? When you're about to post, just go to add link and then product. And boom, you can pretty much add any product that you have. If you don't have any in here, you just go to add more products, product marketplace, and you will see all of these different products to choose from. Now, there's a bunch of sauce that goes into it, which is going to be in other videos, actually how to find these products. But a quick, simple way that I usually use is going to the best sellers. And I'll kind of scroll around and look for products that either solve a problem or they are just extremely cool. Usually the products that solve a problem will do best. Let me give you an example. Like this, right? This detangling hairbrush. This is pretty much a banger product for any girl. They would definitely use this. It detangles their hair. Most dudes don't have that problem, but once you find it, you would just add it to your showcase. You can set up the name for it. So I'm going to get rid of that. Just unbrush hair. We'll call it detangler. Is that even a word? We'll make it a word. Then click on add. Once you do that, you'll see when you're actually about to post the video. Let me turn the volume down. You'll see it in the bottom left, and anyone can just click that link and buy the product, which is really, really cool. So that's the power of TikTok Shop. That's how easy it is to do it. You just make videos similar to this, where you're just, hey guys, look on Amazon. I check this thing out. It's $36. I found the same one on the TikTok Shop for only $25. If you want to grab it, link is right down here, and then you point to it. It says that it's that simple. So I simply just followed that strategy for months and months and months, weeks and weeks and weeks. And after about a month, 300K in sales, which is not too bad. That was around, I think, 25% commission. So what did I bring home? I don't know, 70 grand, give or take, which I'm not complaining. That's pretty good for a month. So if you guys want to learn even more in depth about how to do this, I just made a program. It's free to join for your first 3 days. You can join in and learn how to print money simply by posting videos on TikTok. So once you actually upload the video, right? For example, like this guy, you upload it and you wait 45 minutes, okay? After 45 minutes, you post another video. You wait another 45 minutes, you post another video, and you do that 4 times. So pretty much you post 4 videos a day, 45 minutes in between, and that's it. And every single video, you just want to focus on speed and selling an amazing product. And I say speed because you shouldn't be sitting there for 5 hours trying to make the video perfect. A friend of mine used this analogy. It was actually a banger. It's almost like if you're playing baseball and you go up to bat, and you swing 3 times, 2 of them, you miss. The third one, maybe you get a single, maybe a double. And then eventually, as you keep swinging, as you keep going up to bat, you're going to hit a home run. It does the same thing. Eventually, if you're posting all these videos, eventually one of them is going to pop off, get millions of views, and make you thousands of dollars. So that's the power of TikTok Shop. Personally, I think it's much better than the creativity program. A lot of people do the creativity program, but all you're really doing is ripping off other people's content, putting on a GTA 5 video and posting it and saying, oh, I made some money. I don't personally, I don't morally, agree with it. I think this is amazing because you're selling products to people that are genuine products from genuine brands, and the people decide that they want to buy it. It's something they want. You're not forcing them to buy anything. So because of that, I think it's morally much better. Also, on top of that, it's a great way for everyone to be happy. The brands are happy because you're making them money. You're selling their products. You're happy because you're making bank as commission, and then the customer's happy too because they're getting a cool product that they wanted, So it's a win-win for everyone. That's why I love TikTok Shop Affiliate. If you guys do want to really get in depth with this and try it out, sure, based on this video, you could start posting, different types of content. There's a lot of sales and psychology that goes into this that I just can't fit in one video. And I'm also starting a community. So if you guys want to join my community, we do like one call every single week. On top of that, there's a video course that comes with it. I'm adding new stuff to that course all the time. You can talk to me, ask me questions, and ask, other entrepreneurs that are making money on this questions as well. It's live right now, so if you want to join the community, I just made it free for the first 3 days. Just click the link down in the description. You'll see it. It's going to be the first link. It's called TikTok Mastery, where you'll pretty much learn how to print money simply by posting TikToks. Like, that's it. You just post TikToks and you make money. If you want to join my community, you want to learn exactly how to do this, 3 days completely free. Try it out. You get access to everything for 3 days. So if you don't like it, just, quit, and that's fine. Cancel your membership. But if you do like it, stick around, grow with our community. We're constantly doing this. I'm going to be doing this for the next at least year. It's a gold mine right now. So if you want to check it out, guys, link is in the description. So with that being said, that's pretty much how I turned $0 into over 300K in sales in a month doing TikTok Shop Affiliate. It's goated. You don't need much experience. It's not that hard to do, guys. My little bro, he's 14 years old. My little bro is making money with this, like good money. So if you want to give this a shot, like I said, link is in the bio. And I'm also going to be posting more case studies and tutorial videos on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I will see you guys inside of the community. Peace, y'all.